welcome back to Zik, the programming guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix links not opening in Google Chrome. So first thing you have to do is go straight to your Play Store or Apple Store. Once you go there, click on the search bar and you're going to search for Chrome. So you're simply going to search for Chrome. Once you search for Chrome, make sure you have the updated version of Chrome. And if you don't have it and you see an update, click on the update to actually update. Once you're done, you go straight to your Google Chrome and give it a long press like this. And you're going to see this little eye right here, or maybe your own says app info. You can click on that. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you to your phone settings, right? And once you're here, you're going to scroll down to where you see storage. Click on storage and you're going to see your cache and also your data. And you can see I have a lot of cache right here. So that might be the reason why links aren't opening. So click on clear cache and you can also choose to clear up your data. And remember, if you actually clear your data, you might lose some kind of information. Yes, if you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and please subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.